In today's video, I'll be showing you all how to recreate this beading pattern that we have used in embellishing these outfits that I have showing on the screen today. Make sure that you watch the video all the way through so you don't miss any important information that is sure to transform whatever outfits that you choose to embellish and make you good money if you go ahead to recreate something very neat and professional looking. Like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't hesitate to drop your thoughts, comments, suggestions, feedback down in the comment section. Let's get started. Thank you so much, friends, for stopping by the channel again. Without wasting any time, I'm going to show you all that you need. You need your thread, okay, your thread of choice. I've talked about this in different videos. Your choice of thread is up to you. You can use the invisible thread. You can use polyester thread just like what I have here. You can also decide to use fishing line if that's what you prefer. You also need your thread snipper. This will come in quite a lot as you go along with your beading process. This just helps cutting off thread and snipping off stray pieces of thread here and there. It makes the entire process easy. You might also need your scissors when it comes to just cutting larger parts of your outfit if you need to. I just like to have things like this handy just in case the need arises as I go along. Something else that you'd also need when it comes to the beading process is your choice of bead. For this particular 3D illusion beading, you need this style of bead. This is the rice bead or pipe bead. Some people call this pipe bead, some other people call it rice bead, but this is what the bead looks like, and you need it with a combination of seed beads. I have my seed beads in color red and my pipe or rice bead in gold. Something else you'd need is your beading needle. Like I always say countless times on the channel, your beading needle is different from your hand needle. This is beading needle and this is the appropriate type of needle for beading. Okay, my favorite size is the size 11 beading needle. I find that this particular size of beading needle is just perfect for any size of bead, any style of bead. It just makes the entire process seamless. Finally, you would need your choice of fabric. Because this video is an educative tutorial, this is the fabric I'll be working with. This fabric is called felt, F-E-L-T. For those that are curious about where I got mine, I typically used to buy this from Nigeria from my fabric vendor in my own market. He sells this and I find that this is very perfect for the kind of tutorials that I come on YouTube with. While creating your beading, you need something called a fabric pencil. The beading pattern needs to be first of all drawn on your fabric of choice or outfit of choice, and then you go ahead to bead on the pattern that you've created on your fabric. For the particular tutorial that we are working with today, when you look at the inspiration video that I inserted at the intro, we had something like a circular kind of pattern going on, and we just had different patterns drawn at different points on the outfit. I'm just going to recreate something similar to what I could see on that outfit. Okay, you have something like a circle going on, and then inside the circle you had other patterns going on. This is just something very abstract that I'm drawing on this outfit. All right, and on those circular patterns we had beadings done inside them. Can we see what we have here? You are now, your job as a beader is now to bead in between all these patterns to create something fabulous at different points on your fabric. You don't have to replicate exactly what we have here. The tip or the beauty of watching my tutorials is you pick the knowledge that you have gained from the style of beading that I teach per time, and you incorporate it into the outfits that you have with you that you're trying to embellish. So for the sake of today's video, we are going to move on straight to recreating that beading pattern. I won't be doing too much talking. I will do my best to illustrate and show you guys how you are supposed to pass your needle and thread, pass your beads to create something fabulous. If you enjoyed watching, which I'm sure you would at the end of this video, please make sure to confirm that you've hit the like button. Also remember to subscribe to this channel if you're yet to. I share educative tutorials, inspirational tutorials every week on here on the channel. I'm currently on my way to 100,000 subscribers and I need your help with achieving that milestone, hopefully before the middle of 2025. Alright guys, let's jump straight into today's tutorial proper. To begin this beading process, the first thing you want to do, like I mentioned earlier, is to draw out your outline. After creating your outline with your fabric pencil or fabric chalk, depending on the tool that you prefer, you go ahead to shade the portion that you want to bead. All of this is just for clarity and to make the entire beading process seamless for you. You can decide to go ahead to shade the middle part if you like, just like I'm doing, or skip this process. But it is absolutely important for you to draw out your pattern on your fabric that you're about to embellish. This is the end result of my shading after I went ahead to do it just like you saw. I would also be showing you guys the beads that I'll be working with again today. Now to the beading proper. You want to pass your needle from the inner part of your fabric, just like I'm doing, and then pass one piece of your pipe bead or rice bead and one piece of your seed bead. Can we see what I'm showing us on the screen? I have one seed bead and one rice bead. You push it all the way through into your thread and then pass your needle again through the rice bead alone. I hope this entire process makes sense. If you don't understand, I'm going to repeat this process multiple times as we go along just so it sticks to us. You're passing one rice bead, one seed bead, and then you go ahead to pass your needle and thread through the rice bead. I'll repeat this process a couple more times. Make sure to just pull on your thread very well after passing your needle just to secure your beading in place. You don't want your beading to be wobbly or just weird looking, so make sure that you pull firmly on your needle and thread after passing your beads through. I'm repeating the process again. Can we see what I have here? One rice bead, one seed bead. I'll push it all the way through my needle and thread and then pass my needle just through the rice bead alone. Can we see the way I flipped the seed beads aside? Voila, and that's what we have right there. If you are working on beading an outfit or a dress, you can just spread it on the table. I'm going to show an illustration of what I'm talking about on the screen. You spread your outfit on a table and then go ahead to bead, or wear your dress on a body form and start to bead on that body form. But because of the nature of this particular beading pattern, I would recommend that you spread your outfit on a large work table and go ahead to bead. But the choice of how you choose to bead your outfit is up to you. Do whatever suits you. Just make sure that you create something fabulous. As you guys can see, I'm repeating this process all the way through. And this entire beading process is pretty repetitive. You are doing this same thing over and over again until you cover the entire portion that you have outlined on your fabric. So I'm just going to keep quiet now, allow you guys watch the way I'm going ahead to just keep repeating the process, passing my needle and thread through my fabric and also passing my beads through my needle and thread to create something fabulous. After watching this video, if you have any question or thoughts on how to improve the tutorials that I come on here with going forward, please don't hesitate to drop your thoughts and comments down in the comment section. If you've not liked the video, now would be a good time to just confirm. Check one more time to see if you've clicked the like button. Also, if you're not subscribed for whatever reason, now will be a fabulous time for you to click that subscribe button and go ahead to also turn on your post notification by clicking the bell icon right beside the subscribe button. That way you'll be the first to know every single time I come on here with tutorials. I try my best to come on here every single week with a new tutorial for your viewing and learning pleasure. I'm on my way to 100,000 subscribers and I would really love your help with achieving that milestone on the channel. Please remember to subscribe, like my videos, don't hesitate to share with your friends, and feel free to give me video suggestions down in the comment section. If there's any type of tutorial that relates to the kind of content that I come on here with that you'd like to see, please feel free to drop your requests down in the comments. I'm going to keep quiet now, allow you guys watch this entire process, and then we'll come back to talk about the entire thing once we are done. Alright friends, so after about 1 hour of continuous beading, this is what we have here. I've gone ahead to successfully bead the entire pattern that I drew for us on this fabric at the beginning of the tutorial, and this is what we have here. You see how the sides of the beads are rising up just showing off the golden rice beads that we have going on at the base. And at the top, when you look at the fabric from the top, all you're seeing are the red seed beads that we used for the purpose of today's tutorial. Can we see what we have here? I'm just going to move it closer so you get a very up close look at the entire design. Incorporating this style of beading to an outfit is what provided us with this outfit on the screen right now. Can we see how beautiful the end result of the outfit that we have on the side looks? Imagine recreating this on your next outfit, and you can just imagine how fabulous your outfit is going to look. If this is a business for you, please make sure to charge your worth. Beading this particular style on an outfit is not an easy fit. I'm not going to lie to you. So make sure that you are charging your clients accordingly, because the end result of what you've done for them is going to look absolutely phenomenal. I trust you guys. All right, friends, if you did enjoy today's video, if you found the tutorial valuable, please again remember to hit the like button. That's your way of supporting me. If you'd also like to be a member of the channel, feel free to click the join button on the screen. That way you become a member of the channel and you get perks on the channel. You get priority responses to your comments. You also get to chat with me on the membership page on here on the channel, and you also get a membership badge right beside your name whenever you leave a comment or just interact with any of my posts on here on the channel. If you're not subscribed, now would be a fabulous time to hit that subscribe button. I would really love to have you on here on the channel. Again, I'm on my way to 100,000 subscribers, and I'd like you to be part of my first 100,000 subscribers on here on YouTube. Thank you all so much for watching today's video. I do not take your presence on here for granted. And yeah, friends, I can't wait to see you all in another fabulous tutorial very soon. Bye.